be on focus because I ain't about this life. I'm not. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, before that, I realized with my other video that I didn't introduce myself, so I'm gonna introduce myself now. Yeah. Anyway, so I am Loreto and welcome to my channel. So as you can see with today's video, we're gonna be doing a tutorial. Okay, so I saw this, well, not so, but it's kind of late for me to be saying this now, but anyway, we all know Rihanna. She's like the queen, okay, like bow down. Anyway, so there's, with her line, her clothing line, the fancy line, there's a dress corset that I liked, right? And I'm like, I need to get this. Like, I need to have this in my closet. I mean, why must I not have it, you know? So baby girl then went to the website. Okay, yeah, went to the website. Nice one. Okay, so I went to the website and then I looked for the actual dress corset t-shirt type thing, you know, and I'm like, okay, I like this. Okay, fine, I have to check it out. And so I checked it out, and this is what it says. $300. Okay, that's about how much in rents. Anyone? Okay, yo, it costs this much in rents. Okay, yeah. And Loreto doesn't have it at this moment. I ain't about that. I'm not about that. Okay, Brianna, yeah, Bona. Brianna, I'm not saying Brianna. Okay, Rihanna. Okay, Bona. I'm not gonna, yeah, you know, but you know, because since I can't afford it at this point, I'm just gonna be like, okay, let me just make myself. So I'm just gonna show you guys how you can make your own this, okay, and with like so much less amount of rent. Okay, so I got this t-shirt. It's an extra large t-shirt. Okay, it's like an off-white. It's not really white, but anyway, it's like a thrift shop which I found this at. It's very big. Okay, let me see if I can wear it for you guys. Okay. Okay. It's very big. I mean, it's extra large, and I'm like extra small. Wow. But anyway, this is how the shirt looks. So these are wow, okay, this shirt is big. Okay, so these are the materials that you need. Well, one of them being, okay, very, well, not very, I think I made a mistake by going extra. I should have went extra large, but yeah, I was looking for the length. But anyway, so this is one of the materials, which is big shirt, which I've shown you previously. Scissors. Okay, I need to poke myself. Scissors and measuring tape. And okay, well, I have a sewing machine, right? But I don't really have a sewing machine as yet. So I bought this tiny little sewing machine. It's like a hand sewing machine. So it works with batteries, 4 of them, and yeah, hopefully it does work. I just hope it does. I haven't used it like on something big, but yeah. And then next material that you would need is if you have, you can use safety pins or normal pins, but because I don't have both of those now, I had to go with plan B, tiny little stapler. I'm just working with tiny things at this point. Okay, so I went for like a tiny little stapler that I will be using in hands of my pins. So I'll just show you guys the first step, and then we'll see. So the first thing I did was that I marked off, I don't know if you can really see, but I marked off like 4 centimeters from the normal thingy. I don't know what you call this, but yeah, it's like 4 centimeters, because I mean the shirt is big, so I kind of want to it. Okay, so depending on what type of shirt and what size you also buy compared to your body, you don't really have to do this. Okay, so I just marked off that, and I'm just gonna pinch it. Oh, and I'm forgetting one thing. By the way, do all this with your shirt inside out. Yes, there we go. So because I mean, you can see this shirt is really quite big, so I'm trying to like see what I can do to just, you know, minus whatever I need. And so I'm just gonna like pinch off, and like I said, because I don't have pins, I'm gonna be using my stapler, but the stapler seems quite small, so you're just gonna staple, or in your case it's just gonna pin where that is. So let me just try that. At this point you pin right here, and then pin all the way down. Okay, so mine is just gonna be like probably all the way down, pinned up like to here, if I could recall. Wow, this is gonna be a lot of material that I need to cut off because I did not think this through. But anyway, by the way, this shirt was 20 rand. Yeah, it was 20 rand, so I did save it the end of the day. So obviously I'm gonna cut this part off, and now I'm gonna need the middle part of my shoulder. So from there, right there, and we're just gonna go literally all the way straight down, and the same this side, and then we're also gonna do the back down and this side as well. This is what I ended up with. As you can see, I still have to fix it up, but I cut the top part of the arms, and I also cut like a very big part here. So this is how it looks, and I'm literally gonna do, you see this lining here, a very same lining. I'm also gonna do it here at the back so that it's more tighter than this. So it's probably gonna be like this, yeah, like this. And I'm also gonna do it all the way to the shoulders as well, you know, so it's gonna be this tight, and hopefully it turns out very well because I'm not about that life. Okay, but yeah, so this is how it looks so far, and I'm gonna come back with showing you guys how it looks when I've done the back. So this is what I ended up with. I still need to do a lot of the fixing, but I just want to show you how I actually just cut it up. I cut it up here, I cut it up there, as you can see my shorts. Okay, so I tried sewing it down, but it's unraveling. Yeah, that sewing machine, the small little hand machine, you can't rely on it, as you can see, because yeah. But here it's the proper cut out finished look. I'm just gonna sew this part down and sew that. Just actually do another layer of sewing here, and also as you can see at the back, I also did the same cutting down as well. And I'm thinking of making it a bit smaller around my waist, like right here. Just, you know, pinch it up so that maybe, wow, okay, maybe up, but make it a bit tighter around here, and it'll be like this. And then I would have my Rihanna Fenty inspired look. Even though, but this might be a look though, right? No, it would not. Y'all are lying. It won't be a look, right? But anyway, but this would be a look though. Wait a minute. Hold up with a low. Hold up. You're lying. No, and I just, oh yes, okay. So I'm just gonna fix this up and fix the shear band. Okay. Yeah, it's not the strongest. Like, as you can see, like, it's not strong, so I will not say rely on it. So just go in again with your own hand. So, because that's, but anyway, so this is how. It's just this. So I'm here to just tell you guys that this is the end of the video. Right? I need you to embrace it, accept it, that is the end. Okay? I'll see you guys. Okay, thank you guys for tuning into my video, and do like, comment and subscribe, okay, so that we can grow. You know, my channel can grow, we all grow, and everyone is growing. But anyway, thank you so much, and I hope you guys do like the video. I hope you liked it. Okay, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys with my, well, not really see you, you will see me. Okay, you will see me with my next video, and